Yo everyone, how's it going? So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial and it's a Decal one. Like I said last week, I will be doing the Decal tutorial. So if you haven't seen the camo tutorial, go check it out. It's on screen now, because you need to paint it before you can decal it, otherwise your kits don't look great. But anyway, decaling's piece of cake. All you need is the decal sheet, either the box or the instruction, depending where the decals are, and some water. So these ones have a load of like numbers. So me looking at it now, we're going to be doing the top of the aircraft, this bit, which is on screen. So we need number 4s. Basic and 4s and 3s, 4, 3, 1. The two little red lines I'll do off camera. I'm only doing these big. I'm only doing 2. I'll be doing these 2 off camera. But those off camera, and I'll do the rest off camera. It's because otherwise, if I wanted to do the entire kit, it would take a couple of hours because it can take a long time to get the decals perfect. But anyway, so basically you. Let me move this kit out of the way a minute. You see where that's there? That's what we're doing, number 4. Sorry about these lines. I literally can do nothing. Doesn't makes it worse. But you can see there's number 4. That's what we're doing. It's dealt with on both sides. So you cut the decal out. So on here, number 4 is there. Those two. So you cut the ones out you need off the sheet. Careful you don't actually cut the decal itself, you just cut the backing paper. Always cut more than what you need, because don't cut around it, because it slides off the sheet, which I'll show you in a minute. Finally got the decal. So basically you put it in a pot of water. I've got a pot of water off camera there. You put it in the water for about 30 seconds. Or a few seconds, and I leave it. I put it on. You just leave it there. So when it comes off, it will start to slide, as you'll see in a minute. It will start to slide. So it released from the thingy eventually. Sorry about the different position of my kit. The tripod fell off. So basically what you do is, I highly recommend you get a pair of tweezers. Cocktail stick comes in handy. You also need a brush or something to apply water. So get a brush and apply the area you're going, like I said. Right, basically dip it in the water and apply it to the area. Always put more than where you need. You can see it's gone dark, so you can see where I've been applying it. You want to apply it not on the whole wing, just on the area necessary, so you can adjust it. So now you can see where I put it. It goes around about here. So the cocktail stick, you just slide it off the paper, or you can use the little tweezers. You just apply it. And that's basically how you decal a kit. It's really that easy. There's literally nothing more to it. You would gently adjust and align like so. And that's basically a decal. That's how you decal a kit. So you repeat that for every single decal on the kit. So anyway, that's that for this video. If you are new around here, make sure you subscribe and like the video. So till next time, bye.